We'll start with our writing. So remember, we've been practicing interjections. So yesterday we corrected some sentences with interjections. Today I want you to create your own sentences. So I'm giving you 4 interjections. So I want you to create your own sentence using each interjection. All right. So I'll give you a couple of minutes to kind of work on that, creating your own sentences, and then we will go over them together. We'll share them. So yeah. All right. Any questions, or everybody understands what to do?
I understand.
Yeah. All right. So go ahead. I'll give you a few minutes. So we have number 1 is wow. Number 2, hurry. 3, whoa. 4, stop. Okay. All right. Go ahead and share some of our. Okay. So we have number 1, wow. I'm going to call everybody so everybody will have a chance to share. All right. So let's start with Lyric. What do you have? Wow. Make sure you're on mute.
Wow, that's a fast car.
Wow, that's a fast car. Good. Okay. Brian, what you have?
Wow, that's so cool.
Wow, that's so cool. Good. Hannah?
Stop, a car's coming.
Wow. Yeah, for number 1, wow. Oh, you muted. You're muted. Yeah, I can't hear.
Wow, that's a very fast cheetah.
Wow, that's a very fast cheetah. Good. Okay. Carly?
Wow, that is big.
Wow, that is big. So I sure hope that after you wrote your interjection, you have the exclamation mark.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Harlan, what you have? Wow. Read it out to me. But focus on this part. Opposite.
Wow, we won the game.
Okay, wow, we won the game. Good. Okay, Camille.
Wow, that is so big.
Wow, that is so big. Amina?
Wow, that is so cool.
Wow, that is so cool. And then Omar?
Wow, it's fireworks.
Wow, it's fireworks. Good. All right, number 2.
I didn't get to go.
Oh, you did? Okay, Evan?
Wow, a spaceship.
Wow, a spaceship. All right, number 2, hurry. Hurry. Okay, let's hear some of your sentences with hurry. 88 in your funny language. Okay, Lyric, we'll start back with you. Hurry.
Hurry, we are going to be late for school.
Hurry, we are going to be late for school. Good, Brian.
Hurry, I'm gonna be late.
Hurry, I'm going to be late. Okay, Hannah?
Hurry, we'll miss the bus.
Hurry, we'll miss the bus. Okay, Carly?
Hurry, I have to go.
Hurry, I have to go. Omar?
Hurry, it's the mafia.
Hurry, it's the mafia. Okay, Evan?
What? Hurry, we have to go.
Hurry, we have to go. Who I didn't call yet?
Oh, it's almost the same sentence.
Harlem, okay, Harlem.
Hurry, We will miss the bus.
Hurry, we will miss the bus. Good. Camille?
I did hurry up. Hurry, we are going to miss the bus.
Wow, y'all are thinking alike. Hurry, we're going to miss the bus. Yeah, no, like 3 y'all had that. Okay. All right, number 3. Did everybody go? Oh, Amina?
Hurry, we got a plane to catch.
Hurry, we got a plane to catch. All right, number 3. Whoa. Let's share our sentences with whoa. All right, Evan, whoa.
Whoa, a Siberian husky. It's a type of dog.
I know. Whoa, a Siberian husky. Okay. Yeah, they look like.
Siberian husky.
Yeah, it's a type of dog. They kind of look like.
Color.
They're different colors. White, gray.
And they
What?
sleep in the green. Ew.
I said gray. Okay, Lyric. Whoa.
Whoa, that is cool.
Whoa, that is cool. Somebody's has music. Okay. All right, Amina.
Whoa, it is a big cake.
Whoa, that's a big cake. Oh, it is a big cake. Okay, Carly.
Whoa, that is cool.
Whoa, that is cool.
Wait.
Yeah, y'all be having the same thing. Okay, Hannah.
Whoa, you're running too fast.
Whoa, you're running too fast. Good. Anybody else that didn't go? Okay, Brian. Then Harlem.
Whoa, this is fun. Wait,
whoa, this is fun. Harlem.
Whoa, he is fast.
Whoa, he is fast. Good. Omar.
Whoa, look at these creatures.
Whoa, look at these creatures. Awesome. Okay, Lyric, you have one. Whoa. Lyric.
I already went.
Oh, with whoa?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't remember. Okay. All right, and then the last one, stop.
Me, I got one.
Stop. All right, go ahead, Carly. Stop.
Stop, a car is coming.
Stop, a car is coming. I know you haven't already said it. All right, Harlem.
Stop, a car is coming. Come on.
Okay.
I had the same one.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, Lyric, you have the same thing too?
No.
Okay.
Stop the oven.
Stop the oven. What?
Stop the oven before it blows.
Sorry. Okay. All right. Anybody else?
Wait, what?
Okay, Amina. Something that's not like repeating. I don't know. That's strange. You're all getting like the same thing.
Don't do that.
Stop. What?
Don't do that.
Stop. Don't do that. Okay. Stop. A bus is coming. Okay. That's it? Yeah. Okay, good. So tomorrow's test, you'll have to correct some. You'll probably, well, tomorrow's test, I'm sorry, you're going to create some. And okay, go ahead, Brian. Before we move on.
Stop. They're gonna get killed. Yeah, because he's gonna run into a car.
Okay. All right, cool. All right. Okay, so good. So tomorrow you'll have a test. It shouldn't be too hard or anything. Kind of. Oh, go ahead, Omar. You wanted to share yours?
Stop. That house is on fire.
Stop. That house is on fire. Good. Awesome. All right, so good job, guys. So this will be our last week on interjections. Next week we'll move on to the next thing. So good job with that. All right. All right, let's do some phonics. You can get out your phonics book. Let's do some
I knew we needed that.
what you call that? Dictation. Couldn't think of the word.
Dictation. I knew we needed this.
Miss Susan,
Uh-huh.
Got it out.
what page is it?
Wait, we
170.
Why didn't do life dictation? Why no?
Yeah, that's the one we're doing today.
169. 109.
175.
Wait.
Oh no, that was last week. No. 175.
175. We could do. Wait. Was this from last week? I got a 175. No, come on. Oh. You know we have to do 3 pages today. I'm done. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's red. Oh, we could color. No, tomorrow. Oh, there's already red. I'll go to a I should stop talking.
All right, so you've been practicing some abbreviations. We talked about that yesterday, the months of the year and the days of the week, but you also have been practicing the titles of respect, which we already learned that a couple of weeks back. Everybody remembers them, right? Mr., Miss, right? Yeah?
Yes.
You should. Yeah, okay. We did learn that not that long ago. And governor, yeah. Okay, so our dictation today will consist of us writing all those abbreviations, okay? So remember, an abbreviation is a shorter way to write something. When it comes to the days of the week and the months, we put the first 3 letters. They start with the capital letter, and what do you put at the end?
A period.
A period. Okay, so first word, just write the just write the abbreviation. Don't write the word, write the abbreviation. First one is Mr. How do we write Mr.?
This is hard.
Yeah, what's the abbreviation for Mr.? What's the shorter way to write it?
Mr.
I hope not.
It's not hard. Yo, it's talking. Mr. Amina. Miss Amina. The whole word? Write the whole word? No, write the abbreviation. Miss Amina, you forgot your coffee. Boy.
Okay, Mr. Well, how do we write the abbreviation for Mr.? Okay, Evan?
Capital M dot.
Good. Capital M-R dot. Did everybody write that? Okay, next one, let's abbreviate the month. January. How do we abbreviate the month? January was the shorter way to write January.
Oh, the festival. Why would you just say it?
And we just kind of did, just
Come on, Raya. I call Brian Raya. Brian Raya. I call Raya. Raya. Sounds like the same thing. Raya, look at that. Raya. One. Raya. No. Look at Jesus.
okay, January. How do we abbreviate January? Okay, Lyric.
J, capital J, A, N dot.
Yes, capital J, then A-N dot. Good. Okay, next one, October.
Oh, that's
How do we abbreviate October?
Wait. A dot on top. How you write the letter? O-N-S. Making me mess up. Put a little dot on the top. The equation O. Then like this.
Okay, October. How do we abbreviate October? Camille? That's your birthday month, right? Yeah, okay.
Capital O-C-T dot.
Good. Capital O-C-T dot. Good.
And it's over there. Can I have the ice? You have to get in line.
All right, next one. Wednesday. That's the day of the week. How do we abbreviate Wednesday? Okay.
Wednesday.
4.
I already know.
1.
I know it. Just look on the paper.
Mhm.
And today's Wednesday. And I am living. That's funny. Did you notice that when I was did you know that when I was 5, my birthday used to be on a Wednesday?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, really? Yeah. It changes every day. Like it's mine changes too. What? I just noticed that. How? Oh my God. How does your birthday change?
All right, Wednesday. How do we write Wednesday abbreviated? Harlem?
W-E-N dot.
W-E-D. Wednesday is W-E-D-E. I'm sorry, W-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. So W-E-D. But yes, you did have that right. Just the last letter was D.
How much time do I write
4.
spelling words?
Okay, next one. Friday. How do we abbreviate Friday?
Wednesday, Friday. It's like what? Wednesday.
Right.
Wait, it was Thursday? I'll just say the word. And next slide.
Terry Lodge.
Can I have an ice latte? I want an ice latte. What latte? Ice latte. Ice latte. I want the number. That's what my mom told me she said. Ice
All
latte.
right, Friday. How do we abbreviate Friday, Carly?
F-R-I dot.
Capital F-R-I dot. Good. Okay. Bottom part. Listen to your sentence. Dr. Jeff is my dentist. Dr. Jeff is my dentist.
Do we write the abbreviation?
Dr. Jeff is my dentist.
Wait, that sounds confusing. A-B-C-D. There you go, Miss Illusion. I did it for you.
Okay.
Illusion. Miss Illusion is my teacher. Illusion is mine too. Not just your teacher. I wasn't talking to my pencil.
Stop that.
Tell me all your pages. No, this is not our page. What were you about to with that?
Oh,
You have to.
Yeah. Ask me what I know, please.
I gotta put me. I gotta put this in my. I gotta put this all in my.
Brian. Brian.
Miss Pooties, when we're done, can we do whatever we want with this book when we're done with this book?
What? No.
No, for school, I'm gonna use it for my pretend school. I'm gonna hang it up in my room that everyone's like, oh.
I don't know what to do.
I did my best
Today. Hurry for good work. Oh, I thought that said hurry. That said hurry.
Ask me what I know.
Ask me.
Okay. Dr. Jeff. So what should that look like? Dr. Jeff. Okay. What you have, Evan?
Dr. Jeff, capitalize the D, dot Jeff,
Yes.
capitalize the J.
So capital DR dot for doctor, and then Jeff, capital JEFF, and then is my dentist. Okay, good.
The drop's pretty good. And put a dot at the end. Go period.
Yeah. All right, let's look at. Yeah, that's good.
That's the next paper now.
No.
All right, good. All right, so let's do a little bit of board work, and then we'll be done. Not done with our Zoom. I mean, like,
Come on.
I said I love.
I don't want to.
I don't know. We still have math, reading, and science, and spelling to go.
I don't like.
I'll talk today.
all right. All right, so let's review possessive phrases. Remember, anytime you give, whenever you are showing that someone owns something, it's called a possessive noun. So you'll have the person's name, and then you'll have the item that belongs to them. How do we show that something belongs to them? What do we put at the end of their name or whatever to show that something belongs to them? Camille?
Apostrophe S.
Apostrophe S. So I have Bob has a toy. This is a possessive phrase. Bob has a toy. How do I turn this into a possessive phrase? Bob has a toy. What do I say, Hannah?
Bob's toy.
Bob's toy. B-O-B apostrophe S toy. Next I have William has a gift. William has a gift. How do I show this as a possessive phrase? Carly?
William's gift.
William's gift. And I show that apostrophe
William.
S. William's gift.
Will.
That's actually a baby shark.
Okay, remember compound words are when we have two small words that we put together to make a big word. So let's build some compound words here. So I have blank ball. What's the compound word I can make with blank ball? Amina? Ball, compound word. Two small words are foot and ball. Sun, what? Sun. What can I make, Harlem? It's unmuted. Sun. What's the compound word I can make with sun?
I got it.
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
Oh, I know that.
I have sun and day. Milk. What's the compound word I can make with milk? Evan?
Milkshake.
Milkshake.
was gonna say
Oh, those are so
Don't you get
good.
Milk and shake. Next, blank bow. Blank bow. What's the compound word I can make? Lyric?
Rain.
Rain bow.
Oh my God.
Rain and bow. And then last one, blank paste. Blank paste. What's the compound word I can make with that? Camille?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
I knew it.
Two small words are tooth and
Paste.
Good.
Ew.
We've also been discussing common and proper nouns. Remember, the common noun means that anyone can have the name. Proper is the special name. Give me an example of a common noun. What are some common nouns?
I got
Mom. Another one. Harlem.
Dad.
Dad. Okay, Carly.
Uncle.
Uncle. Give me some places.
Okay.
Oh.
Let me do one exclusion on another one. Store. No, mall. Mall.
Mall.
Wait, that's the name of it.
Okay. Camille.
I know one.
Oh, I got a long one. Buffalo. Buffalo Wow.
Store. You said store? Yeah. Okay. Store.
I know one.
Good.
Wait, me.
All right. Here. Pages are here. Okay. Let's talk about proper nouns. Give me some proper nouns.
I got one.
Proper nouns.
I never did it. I'm gonna do it. I want to do one.
Teeny.
So bad.
Okay.
Devin.
Okay, Devin.
Hey, Devin. That's your mommy.
Okay, Harlem.
Easton.
Huh?
Easton.
Easton.
That's a mall.
Oh, Easton Mall. Okay, good. Okay, what are some other ones? Hannah.
Whole Foods.
Whole Foods. The grocery store.
Oh. Oh, I know another one.
Mm-hmm.
Walmart.
Walmart.
I know another one. This one is close to Walmart.
Oh, I know it.
What?
Super one.
Super One.
Super One Food.
It's a grocery, grocery store.
Super one.
Okay, awesome. All right, so that's common and proper nouns. You'll have it in your book today. You have to identify between the two. All right. All right, so that's your phonics lesson for today. You'll do your pages, unless you did them already, but
Wait, they
if
don't have
not,
super
your
one?
pages. Yeah, not all cities have the same stores.
Yeah. I like when it has super one because one time I saw it.
Spelling? Yes?
I did all the stuff on it.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, we'll just go through it together. So just in case you need to like fix anything or anything, you know.
Where's my pencil? Where's my Yeah. I already know. I'm sorry.
What?
Aw, Evan. You are poor. It's not that thing. It's the back thing. Don't you? Well, just don't stuck in a paper. You're not supposed to You have to wait. Why we're all doing it together?
Brian.
Hello.
Miss Rudy.
She's
Miss Wood, someone called you. Miss Wood, someone called you. Miss Wood, someone called you. Miss Wood, someone called you.
I said
She said called you and I said.
Derek called you.
Lyric, you had a question?
Yeah, I can't find my math book, but what page is it?
88A. Stop.
Okay.
All
Can
right.
you use the bathroom?
Mm-hmm. All right, let's go through the facts together. So we'll take time each giving an answer for one. All right, let's see. Start us off, Carly.
5.
Can you read the fact?
Wait, I need 10 minus 5.
10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, next one, Mariah.
Oh, me. 5. Wait.
Yeah, it's you.
5 minus 4 equals 1.
5 minus 4 is 1. Evan?
13 minus 5 is
Bless you.
7.
Mm-mm.
7.
No.
You skip a number.
8.
8.
Why do I always
Yeah, and then you gotta write the full word on the line. So cup plus cake is cupcake. Okay, next one. Amina?
5 minus 5 equals 0.
5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, Hannah, next one.
4 minus 4 equals 0.
We're on the second row.
No, we're on the first row.
I'm sorry, the first row, but we're on the last one. 7 minus 4.
7 minus 4.
On 88A.
Another fact. Well, the fact.
I see.
Hannah, on the first row. You're on mute. Guys, can you unmute your screen since we're doing it together so that you can just give the answer quickly?
Guys, be quiet. Okay.
Hannah, you're on the last fact on the first row.
Wow.
88A.
88A.
Yeah, and so can you give the answer for the fact? It's 7 minus 4.
Minus 4. Oh, yeah.
Why is
Okay, Camille, can you give us the answer for the fact on the first row, the last one?
Oh, there's a carrot in this desk.
Huh?
3.
7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, next row, Harlem. 12 minus 5.
7.
12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, next one, Omar. 10 minus 4.
5.
That's okay. Say it again. I'm sorry. 10 minus 4.
5.
Try again. No, just keep it.
6.
No. 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Good. Next one. Josiah, are you on 88A with us?
10 minus minus
10 minus 4 is 6. Now we're on 6 minus 5.
12 minus 5 again.
7. Okay, next one is 6 minus 5, 1. Okay. 8 minus 4. Back to you, Carly. 8 minus 4.
4.
4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Brian, 11 minus 5. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Just make sure you know more. Yeah. Come on, Brian. 11 minus 5, no, not 3. 3 plus 5 is not 11.
Wait, 8 minus 12.
She's on the last one. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, next row, Evan. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, 5. Good. 14 minus 5, Hannah. 9. We're on the third row. The second fact on the third row.
What's 11 minus 4? Minus 5.
You're on mute.
Wait, Wait. 11? Which one are we on?
14 minus 5.
Mm-hmm.
No, not 11. Try again.
Go back.
You skip Amina. Well, you got skip.
Oh, then I'm gonna see you next. 14 minus 5.
You got skip, right? Oh no.
Go. 9.
9. Yes. Okay, Amina. 11 minus 4. 7. Okay, Camille. Next one. 7 minus 5.
2.
2. Okay. Next one, Harlem. 13 minus 4.
I've noticed
9.
Yes. Okay, next row, 11 minus 5. Omar.
6.
6. Okay. All right, back to you, Carly. 8 minus 5. 3. Okay, next, 6 minus 4, Brian.
What next do I have to do?
Which one are we on?
6 minus 4.
Wait, what? Minus 4. Okay.
6 minus 4. What's 6 minus 4?
Come on.
2.
6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, next one, Evan. 12 minus 5. 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. Amina, 10 minus 5.
Oh, that's easy.
5. Okay, last row. 4 minus 4, Hannah.
Wow. Well.
Unmute. 0. Okay, next one, Camille. 13 minus 5.
8.
8. Next one, Harlem. 9 minus 5.
Minus 5. 9. Wait, 11. 9 minus 5.
4.
4. Okay, next 12 minus 4, Omar.
How?
can see. So minus 4, yes, 8. Okay, and then our last one, 14 minus 5. Back to you, Carly.
9.
9. Okay.
10.
All right, awesome. All right, next page. 88. Now we're going to the back.
Now we're going to the back.
Back on the please.
Mm-hmm.
We need You didn't tell you guys
This
yet.
page.
We need our ruler.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't.
That's the
Yeah, it's the one, yeah, right behind it.
Exactly.
You could just change the line.
No.
This was just
You're supposed to.
Miss Ludens, are we supposed to do this right now? That needs the water.
No, that's good.
We could.
So they
She
have
said.
baseball card. Hold that cacti.
You like them?
Your cacti.
I'm not going to swear
Your cola.
Okay.
Your Canada. Right.
All right, let's go through number 1. Anybody wants to read number 1 for us?
Me? I want to read it.
Okay, go ahead, Amina.
The chart shows the number of baseball cards the children have in their collection. Who has the most?
Okay, wait, pause there. Okay, so we're looking at this chart of baseball cards. We have Kathy has 164, Steve has 248, Paul has 187, and Ben has 128. Okay, so go ahead. What's the first question?
Who has the most cards?
Who has the most cards? Out of all 4 of them, who has the most cards? Their number is the highest.
Steve. You said
Steve.
the
Yes, I
answer.
know it because it was hers.
Oh.
Steve, yes, Steve has the most with 248.
Has the
Okay.
fewest? Who
Fair.
has the fewest?
Okay, next question.
Who has the fewest?
Who has the fewest amount?
Ben.
Ben. He only has 128, so Ben has the fewest amount of cards.
Could I do it? I'm
She's still doing it.
Write
Okay, so next part.
Write the name of the children in order from the one who has the most cards to the one who has the fewest cards.
Okay, so now you need to put them in order from least to greatest. I'm sorry, from those who have, the most, all the way to those who have the least. So we already know who has the most.
Steve.
So his name should be first, the most.
I got the next one. I got the first one. And Paul. I'm done, Miss Fluger.
Okay, who will be after Steve?
Paul.
Paul. He's the next one that has a lot.
I'm done. Why is his name?
So I'm sure you should have Steve and then Paul.
Mr. Paul, how are you?
Oh, the page is 88A, Camille. I just got the message, sorry.
The message.
I found my page, Fuji.
Okay.
I already did it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're just kind of going over it together, just,
Never. Never. What comes after? Kathy comes after.
Cacti.
Is Kathy comes after Steve.
Steve, my man.
Because it's 164. And this one's 187.
okay. All right, who's after Paul?
Kathy.
Obviously, because we know Ben had the fewest. So it should be Steve, Paul, Kathy, Ben.
Wait a minute.
Did that.
Got to do Ben. You just said Kathy. It has that with.
Stop copying.
Put it up. Put it up. No, on the desk because there's
Who's gonna read the next one, Miss Bluegen?
I'm gonna read it. Oh, can I read it? Can I read it? I'm reading the next one. Oh my gosh, draw pictures each other. 321.
Okay. All right, number 2. Go ahead, Evan.
Draw a picture to show 321.
All right, so we're using our square blocks to show 321. Remember, the big square is 100. The rectangle squares are 10s, and the smaller squares are 1s. So in 321, how many big squares do I need, Evan?
2.
321?
3.
3 big squares. So go ahead and draw 3 big squares.
Okay. Not that big. Let me show my big square. I'll make fun. I'm done. I was done before you. Yeah. 24 hours. Yeah. It makes me say.
I use my finger.
Okay, how many rectangular blocks we need?
Don't say 2.
2, because
Why?
it's 320, so that's 2 10s.
Evan's problem. So, it's a smally. I'm making my square small. You're still making it squares. No, like this.
Okay, and then how many ones would I need?
One.
Just 1. 1 small square. So 3 big squares, 2 10s, and then one square. So keep reading number 2. Underneath, what does it say?
What's the number in expanded form?
So how would I write 321 in expanded form? We practiced that yesterday.
300,
300
2 tens,
plus 20
plus 1.
plus 1. 300 plus 20 plus 1.
Done.
20.
Right?
I used to thought you had to.
And you have to circle the number that shows 321.
Mhm.
Did it? I'm doing this one. No, I am. No, you're not. You're not doing the last. Let's do the last one. The last one. Let's do the last one on my own. Wait, you want to do 5? That's the last one. No.
All right. So then keep reading.
Oh.
Circle.
Circle the number that shows 300.
All right. Which one of those shows the actual 321?
In the middle.
The middle one. 3, 2, 1. That's what 321 looks like.
503.
300 and 200. 300 and 201.
It's 5,320. I have 4,000. I have this. I got 11. My birthday. Mr. Beast has more than 1,000. And more than 10,000.
All right.
All these numbers mixed up.
Okay, number 3. Shelly has these coins. Write the money amount. Okay, anybody wants to count it for us? Okay, go ahead. Let's see. Go ahead, Harlem. Look at your dimes, nickels, and then pennies.
10, 20, 30, 40.
That changes. Look at the size. 10, 20, 30. Then it gets bigger, so that can't be another dime.
35.
35. And then look at that. The coin changes again.
36, 37, 38, 39.
39 cents. So we know we can write 39 cents, 39, and then the cent symbol. But what's another way we can write 39? I told y'all this way yesterday, using the dollar symbol.
I know it. Give it to me.
Okay, go ahead. What is it?
I never went.
So of course we know we can write it 39 cents. What's the other way? $0.0.39. Remember that? That's the two ways we can write this. We can put it 39 cents, and then we put it in the dollar terms, whereas dollar symbol 0.39.
0.39. Just why? That's what you get. And which means I don't get all those books.
I don't remember that.
She said, why did she do we have all those books on the table?
We have the books on the
But
table.
Kylie, mind your business. He got this under control. I'm talking to you.
Do you have social social studies on Zoom? Do we? Please stop spitting.
Okay. So number 4, divide the square into fourths using only horizontal lines. Hopefully you remember horizontal lines.
Oh man, I forgot.
How do horizontal lines go?
I forgot. Oh, how
Side to side. Horizontal, verticals up and down. Horizontal is side to side. So divide that into fourths using horizontal lines. Yeah, and look, your stuff is falling out your hair.
1, 2, 3, 4. I got it.
Mom, Miss Fulton, can I do it like this? Like this?
No, it said horizontal.
And then I'm gonna put 4. I got it.
Oh,
Out of 4. Hey, you copied me. Miss Lucas, I am done. Miss Lucas, can I read this one? I like how you just do math on here with us instead of going Ow! It's a thing back. No, I did do this.
Okay, after you divide it into fourths, then it says shade 2 fourths. So how many pieces am I shading in if I have to shade into 2 pieces out of the 4?
Okay. So it's 4 out of 2. You have to color in the lines. You don't color out there. I don't care. I wasn't talking to you. And who were you talking to? They never listened.
All right, and then go ahead and work number 5. I'll give you about 2 minutes to work all the problems in number 5 for those who didn't yet. Then we'll discuss them together. All right, so we have 58 plus 23. Tell me the answer.
81.
81 cents. Make sure you have that cent sign. Next, 29 cents plus 31 cents plus 24 cents.
84.
84 cents. Then we have 54 minus 10 is
44.
44. And then 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7.
16.
16. We should have did 7 and 3 makes 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. And then 12 plus 4 is 16. Awesome. All right, so that's it for math. I just wanted to go over that page together. Next week, we're going to move into subtracting double-digit numbers. Yeah, and that's going to be interesting.
How to do
All right, so what is an adjective?
An adjective is a word.
Is a word that describes
Friday now.
An adjective
An
is
adjective is a word that describes a noun.
Yes, so we give color, size, shape, the number, the weather, the smell, the taste, any of that, those are words that describe what the nouns look like. And so yesterday I gave you some nouns. You have to give nouns. That's what our test will consist of tomorrow, okay? All right, so let's go over your science and social studies and then we'll be done. All right, let's start with science, 81. Our last habitat,
What stage is it?
81, science.
Wait, are we reading? This student.
I think we're not. That's
Wasn't
my
talking to you,
guess.
Wasn't talking to you.
No, that's my guess because she has the book out. I see it.
Miss Flugent,
Uh-huh.
may I use the bathroom?
Okay.
We just,
Bye.
just gotta go to the bathroom. Okay, let me just do 4 times the white cake. Okay, it's I know it. Do every.
You're not supposed to be writing on that hat.
I didn't do it.
Yes, you did. I see the 0.
I did it.
I see that 0. Right there.
Which one?
What is 4 times? 0.
4 times 0. This one is, I know what 4 times 30.
34. 40.
Do you know what it is? Do you, Miss Woodson?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what 4 times 30? I know what it is.
I do too.
120.
Mhm.
Just could I go use the bathroom?
Because 4 months is
All right. So this is our last habitat we're going to cover, which is a rainforest habitat. Okay, our rainforest habitat. So remember we've done ocean, pond, forest, the savanna last week. So this week we're moving on to the rainforest. But the rainforest has a lot of details, so we're breaking it into 2 weeks. So we have this week and next week. Okay. So the rainforest habitat is also known as, as a jungle. Okay. So if you hear someone say the jungle, that's a rainforest habitat. Now, of course, it gets its name rainforest because what do you think happens there?
it rains a lot.
It rains a lot. That's why it's called a rainforest. Okay. All right. So jungles are very thick, wet forests. In fact, another name for the jungle is a rainforest. The rainforest is home to more animals than any other habitat. So there are so many animals that live in the rainforest habitat, more animals than any other habitat. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So there are many kinds of different plants in the rainforest as well, like animals. The rainforest trees and plants give off important oxygen for people and animals to breathe. Because the rainforest has so many different kinds of plants, it's divided into 4 layers. So a rainforest can be found in different continents. Like we have the largest one, which is in South America, which is the Amazon. Okay, that's the largest one in South America. We'll ask that on the test. Where is the largest rainforest? In South America, and it's called the Amazon. Okay, then we have another type of rainforest in Africa, and then we have another one in Asia. So in the one in South America, that's this one here, South America, we will find jaguars, sloths, macaws, poison dart frogs in that habitat. Then we have the Africa one here. There we'll find anteaters, boa constrictors, monkeys, gorillas. Then we have the one in Asia here. That's where we'll find orangutans, pandas, and tigers. So all of the jungles have different kinds of animals that live in them. Okay. So the 4 layers are the emergent top layer, the canopy, that's the next layer, then the 3rd layer, understory, and then of course we have the bottom layer, which is the forest floor. Okay, page 82. The emergent layer. The emergent layer is the highest layer in the rainforest habitat. It is made up of the very, very tall trees that kind of act like an umbrella. So the emergent layer consists of the really high trees that's way high up. Those are called the emergent layer. So those trees are usually taller than all the regular trees inside of the rainforest. So the weather changes in the rainforest, and because of that, it affects this layer the most. Of course, the leaves in this layer get the most sunlight and the most rain because they're the highest layer. So all the water and sun that's coming from the sky, it hits that layer first. They are small and have a waxy coating. This design keeps them from drying out. So the leaves, because they get so much rain and water, rain and sunlight, they have a waxy coating on the leaves, which is good because it helps it from drying out from so much water. So that's kind of a good thing, okay? So you see it's made perfect how it is. So many animals are found in the emergent layer. All the animals that live in the emergent layer have to have strong arms and wings, right? Because it's so high up. We won't find a tiger in that part. You know, he's not going to climb a tree that high. No, right? Usually you'll find a lot of animals like monkeys, sloths, butterflies, and birds who live in that layer. Because it's so high up, you know, you won't find like a jaguar just sitting at the top of the tree. Yeah, you won't find it. So God gave each of these animals special designs like their wings, their tails, and their strong arms. Some of them can fly or glide from tree to tree, searching for food. So this is the highest layer in the savanna, in the rainforest, the emergent layer. Okay, next we have the 2nd layer. This is right underneath the emergent, so it's still pretty high. This is called the canopy. The canopy is protected from most of the weather because of the emergent layer. Again, the emergent layer gets a lot of that weather first, and then the canopy will get some of it, but not as much as the emergent layer. The canopy layer has the largest variety of plants in the rainforest. That's where you'll find vines and mosses and flowers and ferns. You'll find that in that part. There's very little sunshine that can reach that layer, very little rain and wind. That's why you have a lot of those thick vines that grow in that area. Plus, it's very dark and it's hot in that area. So it's hot and dark. So that's one thing about the rainforest, is hot. You're going to sweat a lot. It's very hot in that that type of habitat. So the canopy is still kind of high up in the trees, but really we'll see a lot of vines and moss, flowers, ferns. It doesn't get a lot of rain or sunshine in that layer at all, okay? And it's usually darker and hotter in that layer because you got all those trees covering it. So some of the animals that live in this area, this part of the habitat, are snakes, toucans, and tree frogs, and they'll eat a lot of the insects and fruit and seeds that they find in some of the trees. Like the boa constrictor, that's the part you'll find it. So that's why, like, if you're walking, they can just drop down from the tree. So yeah.
What could drop down from the tree?
That's kind of scary. So how do the animals live and find food in the darkness of the canopy? All these animals have a unique design or special calls or songs they use to survive in that layer. So you see, God knew where they would live. So not only did God create the habitat, but he created the animals to live in that habitat. And those animals that live in that habitat, the way they're created is perfect for them to live in the habitat. Okay, so that's the only 2 layers we're going to cover this week. Next week, we'll move on to the next 2 layers, the understory, the forest floor, and then we have some more parts of the habitat that we'll cover. So we have the emergent, which is the top layer, the highest trees. Then we have the canopy, which are still like the trees. It's just not as high as the emergent, okay? All right. And then you have your social studies. So social studies, we're actually finishing our lessons on the traveling west, the pioneers. And so this week you're just kind of going through some of the songs that they sung, and you know, as they journeyed.
No wonder there's so much song.
Huh?
No wonder there's so much song.
Yeah, and so a lot of those songs they sing are because of that. So we actually do not have a social studies test this week.
Yeah.
We don't have a test this week just because it was just a lot of like giving you the background of a lot of these songs. Okay, so you have Paw Paw Patch, one of the songs. Then you have Skip to My Lou, yeah, and America the Beautiful. So we can listen to those.
America the Beautiful because it mentions America. And it is beautiful. Especially because God made it. What if we sing this whole entire song?
All right. Paw Paw Patch. Oh, what do you mean? No, I didn't see your spelling.
Is that bush patch? Is that
Shoe fly in the button of shoe fly
All
shoe.
right, Paw Paw Patch.
My little
And so this song was sung.
skip, skip, skip to my little skip, skip, skip to my little.
Why can't I hear? I don't have my AirPods. I don't know why I can't hear.
Are you on the computer?
No, it's connected to the AirPods. I don't know why. All right. Can y'all hear?
Where is sweet little Susie? Where is sweet?
So before I play, let me say it is a longer song than like the part that we have in our book. So you'll just have to listen when it gets to the part that's in the book. So just keep that in mind. Okay, I'm gonna start all over again.
Susie, this is Susie.
Look and learn.
Y'all can hear? Yeah.
Where is sweet little Susie? Where is sweet little Susie? Where is sweet little Susie? Way down yonder in the pawpaw patch. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Way down yonder in the pawpaw patch. Oh, you know, everyone goes down to the place where the clear stream flows. The sun is bright, the sky is blue. I want to be there too. Picking up pawpaws, put them in your pocket. Picking up pawpaws, put
She
them
can hear that it's like the same
Picking up
lyrics.
pawpaws, put them in your pocket. Way down yonder in the pawpaw patch. Where, oh, where is dear little Danny? Where, oh, where is dear little Danny? Where, oh, where is dear little Danny? Way down yonder in the pawpaw patch. Come on, kids, let's go find him. Come on, kids, let's go find him. Come on, kids, let's go find him. Way down yonder in the pawpaw patch. Oh, you know every
All right, so we'll stop there.
Yay.
All right, so you so it did have different names, but you saw it. Like if you were reading it, it was like the same exact lyrics. It just had a different name. Okay, so let's do 102. Skip to my Lou.
Skip to my Lou. My darling. I love that song. I used to listen to it all the way in the house. Would you stop playing that song?
What?
Okay. You have to hear, yeah.
I lost my partner, what'll I do? I lost my partner, what'll I do? I lost
That's
my partner.
it's longer than what's in the book. It's gonna come though.
Darling, skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. I'll get another prettier than you. I'll get another prettier than you. I'll get another prettier than you. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Fly in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe.
This is where it's at in your book.
Fly in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
I can't
Okay.
wait to sing this
So
beautiful
yeah, skip to my Lou. Okay, and then our last one is America
The beautiful.
the Beautiful on 105.
The beautiful. Hello.
Oh, beautiful.
Skip, skip, skip. Skip to my Lou. Skip, skip, skip. Skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou. Oh, no, let's just skip my Lou.
All right.
Oh, beautiful, for spacious skies, forever waves of gray, for purple mountain majesties above African plain. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea. Oh, beautiful, for
Y'all know y'all only need one more, huh? This is just like the rest of the song.
Their conscience and mercy more than
I have one my favorite song.
America, God shed His grace on thee.
Hold on, I'm trying to listen.
Thy good with
Oh,
Oh my God.
somebody called.
from sea to shining sea. America, God shed His grace on thee, and crowned thy good with brother, from sea to shining sea, and crown thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea.
All right. Yay.
I like this song. Me too.
Me too.
So which one was your favorite out of the three? Papa?
America the Beautiful.
America.
America?
Yes.
Yeah, is it because it was like softer and slower?
No,
Yes.
because it mentions America. And God made America.
And it had the
Okay.
words God in it, and I liked it.
Okay,
like
cool. All right. So those are the 3 songs. Like I said, we don't have a test. It's just really just learning the history of the songs. Okay. All right, guys. So that is it for us today. Make sure you complete all your pages, your spelling, your phonics language, math. Well, we did math, but your phonics language, also reading as well. Okay. All right. So remember, we have show and tell on Friday. Tomorrow we'll meet for our phonics test, and then Friday spelling, and then right after spelling we'll do show and tell. Okay. All right. So y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye bye.